everyone, welcome back to Sri Sampath Vinayaka Learning channel. Now see my ones, this is a question from Think and Discuss in page number 17 from the chapter 1. Write the nature of y, a and x in y is equal to a power of x. Okay, it is an exponential function ma. In this exponential function y is equal to a power of x, he is asking us to write the nature of y, a and x. Okay. And also is asking another question, can you determine the value of x, okay, now for a given value y, okay, now justify your answer is asking. See ma, y is equal to a power of x, that implies if you want to express it in the logarithmical form, then x is equal to log y base a, okay na. Now we have to discuss the natures, okay na. See ma, here we know x belongs to real number, okay na, and y is greater than 0 and a is also greater than 0 but a not equal to 1. These are the natures of x, a and y. Okay, now another question, Seema. This is the first one. The second question here is, can you determine the value of x? He is asking us to write the value of x for a given value y. Let us suppose in this y is equal to a power of x, y is given as 7. Okay, now can I write the value of x for the given value y? So see ma, can I express this 7 as something to the power of x? Tell me ma, can I express, is 7 can be expressed as something to the power of x and without knowing the value a? Okay, it is not possible to us to express the value of, okay, now x to the given value y, because to know the value of y, okay, now we need both a and x. We need both a and x ma. Understand ma? So see ma, for the second question our answer is no, because for the given value of y we cannot determine the value of x, because x is also depends on a. X is also depends on a ma. So see, to know the value of x, I must have the value of y and a. Then only we can find the value or determine the value of x ma. I hope you understand this.